They had to keep these on so they wouldn't run away. It was, and you can feel the weight of these chains. They heavy.
We are in the city of Mobile, Alabama, but in the community of Africatown. Well, this is the last place where the shipment of slaves came to this country. That's not another place. It's right here.
Take a little more video of you right there.
Okay, well, make sure I have my notes.
Oh, you're fine.
Okay. I am planning a festival celebrating the descendants of the Clotilda. When I was in the 9th grade, we had Alabama history. And I remember going through the book and I saw Cudgel Lewis's face and did a story about him. And I was like, oh, wow, this is my family, you know, in the Alabama history book. We're in the Alabama history book. I am so proud to say I'm a descendant. That was never, I won't say never, that wasn't a word that I used maybe 10, 15 years ago. So I'm proud to say I'm a descendant. No, I'm not just a descendant, I'm a direct descendant.
This is his son. They look almost just alike, and that's his son, and that's his son-in-law married to... My great-great-granddaddy was named Charlie Lewis. Came on the last slave ship, the Clotilda. All of this stuff going during the festival so the children could relate to where I came from. So this is... It's a proud moment for me because I am an American. Because of him coming here and getting his citizenship and buying land and property to make us whole.